I've been in a bit of a rut lately, so I decided to spend the weekend romanticizing my life here in LA by doing some of my favorite things. This helped me to realize how great life can be if you slow down and take time to enjoy even the small moments. Good morning, you guys. It is around 7 a.m. I have to eat breakfast, pack my bags, and get ready, and I don't have an outfit picked yet. I'm gonna start by brushing my teeth, washing my face, doing my skincare, and then I can pick an outfit. We'll eat breakfast. Maybe I'll make a coffee or a matcha. Even though this early, I never want food, but if I don't eat something before I work out, it's bad. I have this really cute plum purple top from, I think I got it from the clearance rack at Aerie. And then I have these really cute flares from Old Navy, but I like them because they have the fold over, which for some reason on camera it's always hard to see because it's so dark, but in person I think it looks really cute. And for my Pilates socks, I'm gonna take these that I actually got at the last time I was at one of these events. The family friend that I'm going with, she actually bought these for me, and I think they're so cute. They're adorable. We're on the mini camera. We're gonna head over there. Trying to see if I see my friend, and I don't see her. I take it back. I don't want abs for summer. A lot later. We got back from the beach. I grabbed a coffee, which this is basically ice water, as you can tell by the color. Pilates by the beach was definitely fun. I love all of the events by the Wellness Cartel. Love Mel. Just such a fun time every single time that I've gone. I'm gonna head to my little cousin's birthday party. I'm gonna be in the moment, probably not be filming. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. I'm not feeling too cute because I look kind of dead. Yesterday we went to my little cousin's birthday party, as I mentioned. It was this jumper house. Instead of a trampoline park, it was basically that, but it was jumper type of vibe. And I had no intention of jumping at all. Our friends started jumping and I was like, bruh, I'm here alone kind of thing. I was like, all right, I'll go join them. And we ended up parkouring. I don't know what we were doing. I literally had to pop an Advil before I went to bed because my whole back hurt. I think I feel a little bit better, but to be honest, the Aleve that I took lasts a little while, so it might just wear off in the middle of the day and then I'll feel all the soreness again. But we're gonna head out to church. I think we're gonna try this new coffee shop that we've never been to. It's not new. I think it's been there a while. It's called Santa Canela. guys, we are cooking breakfast, me and my mom. Probably gonna make a coffee or matcha. We're gonna head out to a walk now. I'm going to switch to my phone to film. The park was cute, but we're gonna go to this, it's a British tea house. I'm back home and she was like, oh, you guys are here to buy scones? And we were just coming to check it out, but we ended up buying the scones, which was a 12 pack, and they gave us free clotted cream. Fortunately, they did not let me record in there for some reason. I have no idea why, but everything in there is imported from England, like everything, so it's pretty cool. Hey guys, it is more than a week since I last filmed that clip, and let me tell you guys, your girl, she got sick. I did not expect that at all. Today, I want to get a little bit more into routine. I have a lot of stuff on my to-do list that I was supposed to do. I need to get these removed. I did cut them down a little bit, so they do look worse, but from afar, they actually look so cute still. Like, I don't think you can tell like how bad they are. I think they're really cute. I'm gonna just take them off today. I'm not gonna get anything done to them. Right now, I'm just gonna change and make some breakfast because I need to eat something with my antibiotics. Something, which hopefully this doesn't take too long. I'm low-key not in the mood to do this, but this is like my main priority for the day. I'm gonna record this for a hot sec. We're done recording, but I think I'm gonna go work at a cafe for an hour, so I'm gonna change out of this. Out of Starbucks. Surprisingly, that was my first time ever trying a dirty chai. I've always known I'd like it, but I got a dirty chai and it was so good. My hair's been really dry, so I think that I want to get a hair mask, maybe an eye mask or face mask, but that is the only thing that I need. I don't even need it, but that's the only thing that I'm looking to buy. You guys basically saw what I grabbed. I got 2 of these eye masks. They're so cute. I also mentioned that my hair has been a little bit dry. I did some research. I know a lot of people recommend Kristen S. So this is what it looks like. I don't think I'm trying this out today, but I'm excited. Sorry if the background is really loud. My dad and my brother are watching like some soccer series. I have wound it down, as you can probably tell. For now, I need to finish editing the video. It is 10:20, so it's already a little bit late. These eye masks feel amazing. I love them. I love that they're pink. I did so much of my to-do list, so I'm really proud of myself. This is your sign to romanticize even the mundane moments. Like, it's so easy and fun and amazing to make a time out of like going to Pilates on the beach, like duh. But also being able to enjoy yourself when you're literally just cleaning and putting on a pair of eye patches. I think it's equally as important and it feels great. So this is your sign to romanticize the mundane, whether you're in final season or starting out your summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know any other vlog ideas, more exciting things to come soon. I will see you guys in the next one.